Snapchat due to repeated failed login attempts or other suspicious activity. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Snapchat over here. And as you do that, you'll be able to see if there are any updates available for your application on this device. And as seen on the screen, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the Snapchat application. So as we go back, make a long press on Snapchat application and tap on App Info. Now it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Next, tap on app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here so that you do not have any issues while using the application. Now just go back and launch the Snapchat application and now you might be able to log in and solve the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.